Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Contact Form 7 to Elementor. First, ensure both the Contact Form 7 and Elementor plugins are installed and activated on your WordPress site. This easy method involves creating your form in Contact Form 7, then simply embedding its unique shortcode directly into any Elementor page or post. It's a straightforward process that allows for quick integration and customization. To begin, go to the Contact Form 7 section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New to create a brand new contact form. You can easily customize the default fields, adding or removing elements like text areas for messages, email fields, or checkboxes. Once your form is designed to your liking, click Save to generate a unique shortcode for it. Now, open the page or post where you want to display your form using Elementor. In the Elementor editor, search for the shortcode widget in the left-hand panel. Drag and drop this widget onto your desired section on the page. Then, simply paste the Contact Form 7 shortcode you copied earlier into the widget's input field. Your form will instantly appear. After embedding, you can further style your contact form directly within Elementor. Select the shortcode widget and use Elementor's built-in styling options to adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to match your website's aesthetic. This ensures a cohesive look and feel. Remember to thoroughly test your form after publishing to confirm it functions correctly and send submissions as expected.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.